Welcome back to Island Life Live. It is time to empower Hawaii's elderly in this week's Kūpuna Power.
Today, Kimo Kahoano is joined by Cynthia Arnold, owner and publisher of Generations magazine, to share details about the upcoming Aging in Place workshop.
Aloha, Cynthia.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Oh, it's a pleasure. Now, what is this great event that's coming up?
It is our 18th annual Aging in Place workshop. It's at Ala Moana Hotel. I think it's been at Ala Moana Hotel for years, for 18 years probably. And it's on Saturday, August 1st from 8 a.m. to 2:15 p.m. We're going to have a lot of presentations on brain health, technology. Brain health, yes. And then technology, you know how many scams we've had. Do we know what AI is? Do we know what cryptocurrency is? So a lot of our presentations are geared towards brain health, technology, but also to help families start talking to each other about these issues, about what senior living options are as we get older. Do I want to move? Do I want to stay in my own home? How do I get care? And those type of things.
We appreciate the fact that you're saying, hey, come on, everybody, take care of your kupuna.
Yes.
Take care of them. And this is an easy way, this beautiful magazine. Wow, how long did it take you to put this together?
I have great staff who do things like this, but this issue, August issue, is about retirement. Like, look at you, right? You may be at an age to retire, but you're still doing what you're doing, right? And that is what we want to do, is we want to empower those that have retired to get back into the workforce, to give back, right? The thing I love about Kūpuna is that we can learn from all their experiences. We can learn from things that they've lived through. And the only way is through communication and through that mentorship. So this feature article is about retirement, but also how to shift that retirement. Like, what does your retirement look like? Purposeful, meaningful mentorship.
So, where do people find this?
There's so many locations. We're on each island. Maui, Kauai, Big Island, Molokai even, and Lanai. So there's a list in the first page of our magazine of all the places you can pick it up, and it's free. And we also have it digitally. For my generation, it's on our website, and they can read every issue.
Well, you are very special. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you on behalf of all the Kūpuna and Kūpuna Power. And that does it for today's Kūpuna Power. Mahalo to Cynthia Arnold of Generations magazine. For my brother Brickwood, I'm Kimo Kahoano, and this has been Kūpuna Power. Aloha.